No, I don't think it's my style. Country style is my favorite.
It is? Oh, well, then maybe you should wear this to the concert tonight. After all, what's country style without a cowboy hat?
Yeehaw! Thanks, Dusty.
You're welcome, partner.
All right, mister. Try her again. I'm sorry, Mr. Goober. It looks like your whatchamagoozer needs a new transfillibooster. I'm afraid you need a new engine.
Oh, no!
But what about the concert, Mr. Grouper?
Where do you have to get?
We have to get to Big Bubble City. Today.
Oh, my. I'm afraid it's going to be a few days until this can be fixed.
Oh, no!
Excuse me. Did you say Big Bubble City?
Yeah.
Well, my team and I are heading in that direction. We could give you a ride as far as Big Bubble Bay. You can catch the ferry boat from there.
Really?
Sure, we got plenty of room in the bus.
Oh, thank you. That's very nice of you. Thank you, Dusty. I don't know what we would have done if you hadn't come along.
You're welcome, Mr. Grouper. Y'all better get a move on now. Time's a-wasting.
Thanks, Dusty. Thanks, Dusty. Bye.
Tonight, in concert at Big Bubble Stadium, the one and only Stylie. Show up in your favorite Stylie style or any style you want and find out what will Stylie style be. tonight.
Cool hat. Thank you. I like baseball hats. Mr. Grouper, what kind of style is it when you wear sports stuff? When you wear sports stuff?
I guess that would be called sporty style.
Yeah! Sporty style! Let's sing about it.
What you wear can say a lot about you. High top shoes, it's up to you to choose. Baggy sweatpants, baseball hat sideways, sporty kicks. Don't forget your shades. Style comes from the inside. Style, just let it out. Style, there's no need to hide. Express yourself. High fashion, low fashion, everybody's got their own fashion. Play it safe or just go wild. Come on and rock your style. Tease your hair, wear it blue, do whatever makes you you. That's to impress, if it makes you smile. Come on and rock your style. Hit the town in your new tracksuit. Everybody's got one. Put on a hoodie, any color will do. Everybody's got one.
Will the Guppies get to Big Bubble City in time for Styly's concert? Will Molly figure out what style she likes best?
Me? I don't know.
Find out next time in the exciting and stylish conclusion to Guppy Style!
Swimsuit, okay. Swimming cap, okay. Swimming goggles, okay. Warming up, okay. And now, let's learn how to breathe first. Underwater, out of water. Underwater, out of water. Splish, splash, it's so fun. Time to swim. Now let the swimming begin. Feel free to swim as you like. Ready? Go!
Tummy up, on the water.
Move your arms like a windmill. Backstroke. Arms and legs. Fold and spread. Fold and spread. Swim like a frog. Breaststroke.
Big circle with your arms. Push with your feet.
Fly like a butterfly. Butterfly stroke. Oh, is that freestyle swimming? That's so fast. Left hand, right hand.